Let's talk probability. So in this question, we have two spinners, A and B. Okay, so as you can imagine, this is about spinning and getting a value, either 0 or 6 or 4 or 2, and the same here. But let's read. Part of a board game involves gathering tokens. At certain points in the game, a player can choose to spin one of the two first spinners, shown in the diagram below. They will collect the number of tokens the arrow stops on. For example, on spinner A shown below, a player would collect 6 tokens. Okay, we get that. So let's see what do we need to do with this information. A player spins spinner A twice and collects a total of 6 tokens. List the 4 possible ways this could have happened. So either if somebody spins 4 and 0, it's not going to get 6, isn't it? If he spins 4, he have to get 2. And therefore, that follows the logic. Maybe he got 2 first and then 4. And then the other option, we have 6. So if somebody got 6, that means the second one got 0, or got 0 the first time and 6 the next. That was easy enough. Now, in the next part, a player spins A once and B once. So we have A, and then again happen, we have B. Okay, what is the probability that the player collects a total of 0 tokens? Wow, that's rough, isn't it? Now, probability. On top of the fraction, I have our event. On the bottom of the fraction, all events. So in the context of this question, if I'm looking at spinner A, what are the all events? So all possible tokens or number of tokens, isn't it? Now I'm looking to get 0 at A, isn't it? Then at B, the same idea. At the bottom, I have all possible tokens. And then I'm looking at 0 on the top of the fraction. So that means in my A spinner, all possible tokens that I can get is 4 different places, isn't it? So I have 4 different options. And now I am looking at getting 0. So out of 4 options, there is one of them. And therefore multiply. And again, for B, all my possible outcomes are 6. And the 0 can happen 2 times out of 6. So if I multiply 1/4 by 2/6, put it in the calculator, press equal, I get 1/12.